Well, Mum and I were looking into it for just something different, just to not have to work under someone else, and we wanted our own lifestyle, and work was just always in the way. So we seen this and we thought may as well give it a crack and see if it's worth it. I have learned so much so far. I thought this was going to be a lot harder than I expected, but after listening to the the guest speakers, they have really ensured us that it's a simple, and not simple process, but a process we can all do. That we're going to fail, but you just have to keep going. Definitely do it, 100%. Give it a crack. If it doesn't work, just keep going, because it will work.